Hey folks, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of angle relationships. Some of the angles we're going to talk about will be complementary and supplementary. Adjacent angles are side by side and share a common ray. Below here are some examples of adjacent angles. Notice how they share a common point, a common vertices, and they also share a side wall. Okay, they have a wall in between them, a ray in between them. When two lines intersect, they make vertical angles. This is how when two lines intersect. What that means is that the angles across from each other match. Vertical angles are across from each other, and they are congruent or equal. Hypothetically, both of those would be 120 degrees, and both of these could be 60 degrees. But notice how those angles match. So again, vertical angles are when two lines intersect. They share the common vertices right there in the middle, a cross point. Vertical angles are congruent, they're equal. Excuse me. Now let's talk about complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. In our example here, I've got a 90-degree angle. There's two angles that share a common wall or array. One is 60 and one is 90. 60 and 30, not 60 and 90. And then 60 plus 30 equals 90. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to make 90 degrees. Now, they don't have to be adjacent. I could have separate ones. Okay? If those two add up to be 90 degrees, they're complementary angles, but they're just not adjacent. Same thing with supplementary angles, except supplementary angles add up to be 180 degrees. Notice in the example, I have a 145-degree angle. And then a 35-degree angle. They share a common point, they share a common wall or ray, and they equal 180 degrees. 145 plus 35 equals 180 degrees. I can have supplementary angles that are non-adjacent. That means they have separate walls and vertices. Okay, but they equal 180 degrees. So there's your quick tutorial on angle relationships. There should be an exit slip. Review a little bit, take your exit slip. If you pass it, move on to the homework. If not, we'll be in touch or get in touch with us, and we'll cover the exit slip, and you can move on.